Discover the hottest tech gadgets on Amazon, top-rated and best-selling. Welcome to our electrifying video where we unveil the most sought-after tech gadgets on Amazon that have been making waves in the market. These top-rated bestsellers have captured the hearts of tech enthusiasts worldwide, and it's time to see why they're flying off the shelves. Let's jump right in. These powerhouses are about to revolutionize your computing experience. Watch full video and subscribe for more tech updates. Cam V3. High-definition home security for everyone. Keep your home safe and sound with the Cam V3. With its impressive features like color night vision and IP65 weather resistance, you can monitor your surroundings day and night. Bose Quiet Comfort 35.2. Serene noise-canceling headphones. Immerse yourself in your favorite music or podcasts with the Bose Quiet Comfort 35.2. These wireless headphones boast top-notch noise cancellation technology for a peaceful listening experience. Fitbit Charge 5. Your health and fitness companion. Elevate your wellness journey with the Fitbit Charge 5. This fitness tracker not only monitors your heart rate, sleep, and activities, but also offers stress management tools and guided workouts. Fire TV Stick 4K. Streaming brilliance for entertainment lovers. Transform your TV into a smart hub with the Fire TV Stick 4K. Stream your favorite shows, movies, and apps in stunning 4K quality. With Alexa voice remote, finding content has never been easier. Instant Pot Duo Plus. Multifunctional culinary wizardry. Upgrade your cooking game with the Instant Pot Duo Plus. This 9-in-1 multi-cooker pressure cooks, slow cooks, sautés, and more. Prepare delicious meals in a fraction of the time and with minimal effort. In this video, we'll delve into the reasons behind each gadget's popularity, exploring their standout features, user reviews, and how they seamlessly integrate into everyday life. Whether you're a tech aficionado or just looking to upgrade your lifestyle, these best-selling tech gadgets on Amazon have something incredible to offer. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech trends and must-haves.